Teachable tutorial for beginners, how to create an online course. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your online course using Teachable. Teachable allows you to create online stores and sell high quality products. You can simply sell any kind of product or a course right here with Teachable if you have the skill. So simply go to teachable.com and you will land on this platform right here. Teachable has all the right features and tools for us to help us run a successful online business and sell our courses. So to get started with Teachable, you can simply go ahead and select from any of the plans available. This also brings us to the pricing plan of Teachable. With Teachable, we get a free plan which is going to be $0 and you can simply get started with it. There is going to be a transaction fee on a sale. Then we get unlimited students, integrated website builder with the free plan. Then we have a basic plan which is going to be $29 per month. Then we have a pro plan which is $99 per month and a business plan which is $249 per month. So simply select any of the plan and get started with it. The signing up process is really easy. You simply have to enter your full name, email address, password, confirm password. I agree to terms of use and then simply click on create account and your new account on Teachable will be created. After the initial sign up, you just have to tell Teachable more about you. You simply have to tell, are you a business owner? You can select from the option right here. Then we have what you primarily identify as. If you are a coach and tutor, freelancer, then you can simply add your income and then you can add if you're teaching or not. So simply click on next. And after that, we will simply get to our own Teachable. So this is my dashboard for Teachable. You can see this is my school and I will be able to create an online course here. So we have name your school, customize your domain, set up your brand, set up your landing page, create a course and set up payment. So these are the different things that we need to do. And in here we have dashboard, users, site, sales, email, setting, courses, coaching, bundles, and help. So today we're creating an online course. So I will simply go to courses right here. And when we go to courses, then we will be able to check all of the courses that we have created on Teachable. So keep in mind, Teachable is all in one and we can also sell products here and we can create coaching courses and bundles too. But we're creating a simple course. So once you are on courses right here, this is our dashboard. Simply click on new course. Now, name your course and this is going to be the author. So we can select other authors as well, but I'm going to teach this one and we have to enter our course title. So I will be actually teaching email marketing. So I will simply go ahead and type in that. So once you have added the course title, select the author and click on continue. So our course has been created and now I just have to add different pages to it. And this is my course. It says email marketing for beginners. And now we get all of these different options within our course while we're creating a course. So we have information, pages, curriculum, design template, pricing, order bumps, coupons, drip, comments, students, and reports. So the first thing that you need to do is simply select a curriculum that what's going to happen in our course. So we have welcome to course name. Simply edit it out and I'm going to go ahead and simply, change the text here. So I have, selected this one, welcome to email marketing beginners guide, and I will select this one. Then we have welcome and introduction. What is the course and who are the teachers? So yes, I am going to be, showing the welcome and introduction. So I will simply select this one. This will be added to my curriculum. Then we have what to expect, and then we have resources, and then we have help. So this looks pretty good. What I'm going to do now is I will simply select it. And now we can actually divide our course into different sections. So we have section 1, which is what subject will you cover? So we will add introduction. I don't have lessons. I don't have like lesson 1 or part 2 or part 3. For the section 1, it will be just going to be introduction, and self-assessment quiz is also not involved in the introduction, but I can just add this one. But I will change the name for my segment. So this is my part 1. You can see you simply select the part. So I have selected the first lesson, which is how to lesson. And you can see I will of course change the name for this one. And I will actually call it where to start. And in here, I will teach students how we can find different platforms in order to start with email marketing. And I can now add text. And what happens in text is I can simply type in whatever text I want to. I will be able to type here. Then we have a quiz option that allows us to add quiz. Okay, let me actually show you one by one so you will have a better idea. How to upload a file. We can upload a PDF, audio, video, or anything. Simply click right here to upload, or you can actually drag and drop. So we can upload from our Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and Link as well. I will simply get something from my Google Drive, simply sign in with Google, and then you will be able to upload a file right here. Next thing is the text. I can simply add the text here, whatever I want to type. I can just simply go ahead and type it here. And once it's done, then I can move on to the next part. So if you want to include a quiz, you can type in the question. And now I can simply add a answer choice, and then I can add more than one questions, of course. Then we have code example, we have custom codes, and we have upsell option. So you will be able to add everything right here. So simply go back to curriculum, and when I go back, you can see we can add different sections. We have course conclusion, and you can simply select everything, and I'm gonna select this one. Then we have the section 1 actually, but I am not going to be including this. And then we have a section 2. So section 2 will have its own introduction, and then 2 lessons, and then a self-assessment. And then we have a section 3. Again, we can, of course, customize everything. For now, I'm just selecting few things. And then we have a course conclusion. So once it's done, your curriculum, then you can simply move to pages. Then what we need to do is simply go to the pages right here. In pages, I will be able to add different pages to my courses, and it will help me stay organized. So you can see this is my first page, which is going to be a page title. This is going to be sales page. Then we have checkout page, and then we have a thank you page. So to add a new page, you can simply go ahead and edit out any of these, or add a new page from this option right here. Then we get the design template option, and in design template you can select that what is going to be the template for your course. You can go with a simple one, you can go with a Teachable Classic. So this one is actually activated right now. I am working with this one. If you want to go with this one, you will simply select any of the different templates, and this is how your course is actually shown right here. Then we have the pricing. If your course has any kind of pricing plan, you can simply click on pricing plan. If it's free, you can add right here one-time purchase or payment plan. So my course is actually a one-time purchase, and it is $89. And then the name of the plan is a basic, and then the subtitle is one-time plan. And then we can add description as well, but for now I'm just going to add this pricing plan for my course. And you can see right here I am selling my course for $89, and I will be able to copy it, and I can actually add different pricing plans as well. Then we have coupons, rip, comments, and students. So student is really important part of creating a course. How the students work, well, on Teachable there will be a lot of different people who would join your course. Once they buy their course from you, then you will be able to sell them. So you can actually export your already students that you have right here, but if you want to add students, you can simply enter their name, email address, and their password. So once someone has actually bought your course on any of the platform, let's say you sell your course on WordPress or maybe on any other platform, online platform. So once they have bought the plan from you, you can simply enter their name right here. Let's say I have a student named Ben. So what's going to happen is now I will simply enter his email address right here and a password for this person. So he will actually be able to log in with this password right here, and I will simply click on import, and a new student will be added to my course, and they will be able to access the course that I have added. Simply click on import, and there you go. A new student has been added right here, and they will be able to check my course now. Similarly, we have custom tag and honors. So actually Teachable is a very big platform with a lot of different features and tools, but I wanted to actually show you how to create a course, and I tried covering up everything so you will have a better idea how to start as a complete beginner. So once you're done, you can simply publish your course and publish your school, and then you will be able to sell your courses online on Teachable. Creating a course is very easy, and Teachable has all the right features and tools for you to help you customize your Teachable experience and to help you create very professional and the best courses out there. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I will was a big help to you and now you know how to create a course on Teachable. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.